Didn't get that much snow, a few inches. It's cold though. I think it's like 5 degrees right now. I didn't even leave the tent all day except for going out and getting the rest of the pile of wood I chopped. So chopping some more for today. Ah, there goes a bald eagle. It's on the ground right in front of us. Yeah, you gotta watch out. Oh, the wind. Make me cry. Why do you want down? There's snow everywhere. Did you get it? What are you doing? Hey, look here, you got snow all over your face. Alright, I'm going to work on the ambulance. You come down when you're done fooling around.